Hey, welcome to How's It Channel. In today's video, we will show you the top 6 keyboard shortcuts in macOS. Let's go. 1. This shortcut will help you to easily switch between multiple apps. Simply press Command+Tab. The shortcut will definitely save you some time. 2. If you have way too many open windows, press Command+M on your keyboard. It will minimize all the open windows. 3. If you want to close all of the open windows, press Alt+Command W. If you want to close only the active window, press Command W. 4. These two shortcuts will show you how to make a screenshot. Press Shift-Command-3 to take a snapshot of the whole window. If you want to make a screenshot of a certain part of the window, press Shift-Command-4. 5. If you want to permanently delete files, select the folders and files, then press Alt+Command+Delete on your keyboard. 6. Last but not least, press Command+Space to launch Spotlight Search. That's it. Thanks for watching the video. Please like it and let us know if you use any of our tips and tricks. Subscribe to our channel. We upload new tutorials every day. See ya!